Eat to lose weight, oatmeal pancakes. Nutritional compositions of oatmeal are very well balanced. It is a good source of protein, soluble fiber, good carbs, vitamins, and minerals. Oatmeal pancake helps in weight loss. Yes, you heard me right. Highlights: oatmeal comes with several health benefits. Oatmeal is rich in fiber. Nutritional compositions of oatmeal are very well balanced. 3 recipes of pancake to lose weight. Pancake is a popular breakfast recipe around the world. It is tasty and easy to prepare. What if we add some nutritional content to it? This will surely increase beauty of this tasty breakfast. Hence, we bring you 3 pancake recipes made of oatmeal, which will help you in managing your weight. Oatmeal comes with several health benefits. It is rich in fiber, hence eating oats in breakfast keeps one full for a longer time and helps in losing the extra kilos. How are oatmeals beneficial for health? The nutritional compositions of oatmeal are very well balanced. It is a good source of protein, soluble fiber, beta-glucan, good carbs, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Other than weight loss, they help in keeping cholesterol under control and regulate blood sugar level. Other than these, oats also help in having healthy gut and healthy skin. The nutritional facts for 100 grams of oats, as per the USDA. Calories, 389. Protein, 16.9 grams. Carbs, 12 grams. Sugar, 0.5 grams. Fat, 1.4 grams. Here are 3 oatmeal pancake recipes that can be a part of your breakfast recipes. 1. Oats pancake recipe. This pancake needs very less number of ingredients and is easy to make. All you need to do is add oats to your regular pancake and replace white sugar with a brown one. Ingredients: rolled oats 1 cup, milk 1 cup, eggs 2, butter 2 teaspoons, brown sugar as per taste, wheat flour 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, salt a pinch, vanilla essence. Preparation: grind the oats and mix with walk milk, wheat flour, brown sugar, and egg. Add baking powder and whisk it well. Add vanilla essence and salt and whisk till the mixture gets a paste-like consistency. Take a pan on medium flame and add butter to it. Pour some batter on the pan and spread gently. When the pancake gets a bit fluffy, flip it the other side and let it cook. Add maple syrup or honey and fruits of your choice. This easy oats pancake is all set to be served. 2. Cinnamon oatmeal pancakes recipe. This pancake makes an ideal breakfast and dessert recipe. It is quick to make and a perfect solution for your hunger pangs. Ingredients of cinnamon oatmeal pancakes: 2 cups rolled oats, 2.5 cups buttermilk divided, ½ cup whole wheat flour or oat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon cinnamon, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 2 large eggs, 60 ml canola oil, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, canola oil cooking spray, or extra canola oil for cooking. How to make cinnamon oatmeal pancakes. In large bowl, stir together oats and 2 cups, 500 ml buttermilk. Set aside for an hour or until buttermilk is absorbed and oats are soft. To do this ahead of time, cover and refrigerate overnight. In small bowl, stir together flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Add to softened oatmeal. Add remaining ½ cup, 125 ml buttermilk, along with eggs, canola oil, honey, or maple syrup. Stir with rubber spatula just until well combined. Heat large, heavy skillet over medium-high heat and spray with canola oil cooking spray or brush with canola oil. Cook about ½ cup, 125 ml batter at a time. Spread it out with bottom of ladle or spoon. It will be thick to about 4 inches, 10 centimeter in diameter. Turn heat down to medium-low and cook until edges appear dry and bubbles begin to break on surface. Using thin spatula, flip and cook until golden on other side. Repeat with remaining batter. If you like, keep cooked pancakes warm in 200-degree Fahrenheit, 100-degree Celsius oven while cooking rest. Serve with maple syrup and enjoy. 3. Oat and soya pancakes recipe. This recipe will help giving a healthy start to your day, as it has the goodness of soya along with the benefits of oats. Ingredients of oat and soya pancakes: 200 grams oats, 150 grams, soya flour, 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon, coriander, 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste. How to make oat and soya pancakes. Soak the oats in water for about 30 to 45 minutes. Grind the soaked oats along with all the other ingredients and salt. Add water to the batter if desired. Batter should be of pouring consistency. Heat 2 to 3 drops oil on a non-stick pan. Pour the batter to make a pancake about 1/4 inch thick. Cook this on both the sides till medium brown. Serve hot with sauce or curd. So try these oat pancakes at home and enjoy your weight loss days. Share your experiences in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.